Most welcome to your my online class, my channel Aaditya Vikram Rai, and I am subject teacher of LPM Public School. And today's our topic is shapes and patterns. Okay, firstly we have to know what is shapes and what are patterns. Shapes that are drawn are planes, okay, and patterns, and same shapes when same shapes drawn continuously are called patterns. What are plane shapes? The shapes that can be drawn on plane is called plane shapes. Let us know about some plane shapes, and there is warm up given. How many corners and sides do these plane shapes have? There are some pictures given, and it is asking that how many corners and sides do these plane shapes have. I have told you that there are 4 sides and 4 corners in a square, and in a triangle there are 3 sides and 3 corners, and in circle there are no sides and no corners, and in rectangle there are 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay, so let's start. In first we have to write how many sides and how many corners do square have. Okay, so there are 4 sides, the number of side is 4, and the number of corners is 4 in the square. Okay, in second, how many sides and how many corners are there in a circle? So we know that there are no sides and no corners in a circle, so we have to write here 0 sides and 0 corners. Okay, so the number of sides is 0 and the number of corners is 0. In third, we have to write sides, and there is a triangle, and we have to write number of side and number of corners. So we know that in triangle there are 3 sides and 3 corners, so the number of sides is 3 and the number of corners is 3. Okay, and the next one is a rectangle, and we know that the rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners, so the number of sides is 4 and the number of corners is 4 also. Okay, so come on, next question, color to repeat the pattern. You have to color to repeat the pattern. There is a pattern given. On first there is a circle that is colored from yellow, and there is a square that is colored from purple color. Okay, so first circle, then square, then circle, then square, then circle, then square, then circle, then square. It's a pattern. Okay, it's create a pattern, so we have to color all the circles from yellow color. In first we have to color all the circles from yellow color and all the squares from purple color. Okay, so first circle yellow color, second square purple color, third there is circle, so we have to color it from yellow. On fourth there is square, so we have to color it from purple. And the next one is circle, so we have to color it from yellow, and next one is square, so we have to color it from purple. After that the next is circle, so we have to color it from yellow, and the next one is square, so we have to color it from purple. Okay, so we have to color it. In second, there are 2 shapes in a pattern: triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, and triangle, rectangle. Okay, so we have to color all the triangles from green color and all the rectangles from red color. Okay, listen carefully. All the triangles you have to color from green, and all the rectangles you have to color from red. Okay, so come on, next topic, that is solid shapes. What are solid shapes? You know that. Look at the pictures, and these are solid shapes: cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone. A solid shape has length, width and height. A solid shape has length, width and height. It has also faces, edges and corners. The surface of a solid shape is called its face, and 2 faces meet and edge 2 or more edges meet at a corner. A solid shape has length, width and height, and it also has faces, edges and corners. The surface of a solid shape is called its face, and two faces meet and edges, two or more edges meet at a corner. You can see here that there are many shapes given here, that is cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone. These are solid shapes that can be not drawn properly on the plane. Okay, so that's we call solid shapes them. Okay, so come on, next there is a given different shapes about, there are given different details, there are details given for each shape, as like there is firstly there is a cube. We know that in a cube has faces, edges and corners, but we have to count how many faces does cube have, how many edges does cube have, and how many corners does cube have. So let's count. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay, so next is cuboid, and in a cuboid has also 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay, and what are faces? The faces, the surface of a solid shape is called its faces, and where two faces meet and edge and two or more edge meet at a corner. Okay, so what is shape, what is face, what is edge and what is corner? The surface of a solid shape is called its face, and when two faces meet and edge and two or more edges meet at a corner. Okay, and next is sphere. You know that in sphere does not have any edges and has one face and does not have any corners. Okay, so sphere have no edges, no corners and only one face. Okay, and the next one is there is a cylinder. In cylinder there are two faces. In cylinder there are two faces and no edges, one edges. Okay, there is one edges and does not have corners. Okay, one faces and one edges and does not have corners. Okay, and the next one is cone. In cone there is one faces, one corner and one edge. Okay, there are faces and one corner and one edge. A cone has faces, one corner and one edge. Okay, so let's come on next topic. I can do it. So let's start. I can do it. Circle the shape similar to this object. You have to circle the shape similar to this object. What you have to do? You have to do here. These are solid shapes, and a solid shape has length, width and height, and it also has faces, edges and corners. And the surface of a solid shape is called its face, and two faces meet and edge. Two or more edges meet at a corner. Circle the shape similar to this object. A football, on first there is a football, and football is similar to circle, so we have to circle. Okay, then we have to circle the circle. Okay, circle is similar to football, so we have to circle it. Okay, in four shape there are circle, triangle, rectangle and square. We have to circle. Okay, because the shape of the football is similar to circle. In second, there is a box given, and a box is similar to rectangle. Okay, so we have to circle rectangle. Okay, there are four shapes: circle, triangle, rectangle and square. So, and we have to circle square, rectangle. Okay, the box is similar to rectangle, so we have to circle it. In third, there is a box, and the box is similar to square, so we have to circle it. And there are four shapes: circle, triangle, rectangle and square, and we have to circle. The similar shape is like to box, that is square. Okay, so we have to circle it. In fourth, there is sandwich, and sandwich is similar to triangle, so we have to circle it. And there are also four shapes given, that is a circle, triangle, rectangle and square, and we have to circle the triangle. Okay, in first, the football is similar to circle, so we have to circle it. In second, the box is similar to rectangle, so we have to circle it. In third, the box is similar to square, so we have to circle it. And in fourth, the sandwich is similar to triangle, so we have to circle it. The next one is You should eat healthy food to stay fit. Choose the food you will like to have. Name the shape it is similar to. You should eat healthy food to stay fit. If you want to stay fit, then you have to eat healthy food. Choose the food you will like to have. Which food you will like to have, then you have to take them and name the shape it is similar to. If you have like to have pizza, so we have to take it and we have to write here down circle, 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 because pizza is similar to circle. In second, if you like to have it, then you have to take it and the down we have to write it for cone, cone is cone, because the ice cream is similar to cone. And in third, the sandwich, if you like to have to take it, so you have to take it, and that is similar to triangle, 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 because the sandwich is similar to triangle. In first, the pizza is similar to circle. The second, the cone is similar to the ice cream is similar to cone, and in third, the sandwich is similar to triangle. Okay, thank you.